How to use Grok AI free unlimited. Curious about Grok AI? Let's break down how you can access it, free trials versus paid subscriptions. So step 1, Grok AI is available through X Premium Plus. This is a paid plan that gives you unlimited access to Grok inside X. Step 2, sometimes XAI or X offers free trial periods. These let you test Grok, but they're temporary and capped, not unlimited. Step 3, some third party apps may integrate Grok for demos. They usually allow a few queries but not full access. Step 4, know the risk. There's no official free unlimited Grok AI. Any site claiming that is likely unsafe, so stick to official X Premium Plus or trial offers. So, to use Grok AI, subscribe to Premium Plus for unlimited access. Free trials and demos exist, but they're limited. And that is how to use Grok AI free unlimited.